Shandong Lingping is located in the capital city of Shandong Province, China, Zhuan. We have grown into a professional laser equipment supplier, and all the machines we supply are widely used for the kitchen industry, advertising industry, mold industry, stainless steel products industry, etc. Our certified factory is located in the high-tech zone, covered tens of thousands of square meters. We will update the machine in half a year. Then we can guarantee the most modest technology for customers. There is a showroom for displaying machines and cutting samples. We display our advanced machines here, such as Tube 4, LD, PE model, etc. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 150 countries, including Europe, Africa, the Americas, Egypt, Russia. Our factory and technicians have more than 7 years of laser experience, and our professional after-sale workers provide one-to-one online service for 18 hours each day. We can also provide door-dodo or service about technology support for customers. Whether you are engaged in the advertising industry or metal processing industry, there is always a machine that can meet your needs. In addition, our company can provide OEM services, and we are looking forward to receiving inquiries from agents all over the world. We will offer better products with the best service to all our customers.